Hello everyone, this is Jeff of Tau Mouse. I'm proud to announce that we're going to bring back the test tube torture test. I haven't done any test tube torture tests in a couple years. We were using the old Casio EXF1 high-speed cameras, which had pretty bad image quality, to be honest. We're now using the Chronos 1.4. I just wanted to show off my cool little sunshade there that I just made out of an election sign. But now that we have the Chronos, we should be able to have much higher resolution and higher frame rates. Now unfortunately this is a failure because the glass vials that I bought are low grade. I don't think they were even borosilicate. Very thin glass, and it just couldn't handle the heat very well. Inside this vial I have the contents of 3 glow sticks, including the 3 glass ampules. What surprised me was that liquid inside there is actually flammable. The thickness of the glass at the very base of the vial is very thin. Just could not handle the heat, developed a crack, and eventually just blew out. But I do have some more vials ordered from my original vendor. I'm not even sure this would have worked even if the vial didn't prematurely rupture. I was counting on the glass ampules inside there to expand at a different rate than the outside vial and actually crack and cause it to glow, cause the chemicals to mix. But still, it was a good test of the Chronos high-speed camera. We're running the camera at 2,000 frames a second here. Gives us a little better resolution than what we normally run it at. But still impressive that we had a fireball and it looked much larger scale than what it actually was. It looked like a refinery blowing up or something. Anyway, just happy to announce that we are bringing back the test tube torture test. I did post some stuff on Facebook and had a lot of very positive response from you guys. Anyway, thank you and hope to see you soon.